The belt drive means the Anthem is nearly silent, save for a futuristic whir. It's a strange sensation at first, but it allows you to hear everything around you, a massive safety win in heavy traffic. The removable battery is the killer app here. It weighs about 85 pounds, but it has integrated wheels and handles so you can roll it into your apartment or office like a piece of carry-on luggage. Charging is dead simple. The onboard 3.3 kilowatt charger means you don't need a bulky external brick. On a standard 110-volt outlet, you'll hit 80% in about 2.3 hours. In my time with the bike, I averaged about 45 to 50 miles of real-world range with a mix of heavy-handed city riding and short highway bursts. If you're pinned at 70 miles per hour on the freeway, expect that range to plummet toward 30 miles. It's also worth noting how cool the bike runs. There's zero heat to cook your legs while you're waiting for a light to change in mid-July.